Hello friends, there are different ways to take a screenshot. In this video, I'm showing you 3 different easy ways to take a screenshot. First way to take a screenshot and automatically save the file, press the Windows key and print screen. Go to Picture and then Screenshots to find the file. Snipping tool. Search Snipping tool in search bar or press Windows Shift S to open it. You can select the snipping mode and set delayed capture using the drop-down menus. Once you have a screenshot, you can add the annotation using the drawing tool. To save the file, click Save icon or use the shortcut Ctrl S and choose a location. Game bar. Press Windows G to open the game bar or in search type game bar. Click the camera icon to take a screenshot or use the shortcut Windows Alt Print Screen. To see your saved image, click Show All Captures or go to Videos Captures.